Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing 3 looks with one brand new palette from CHEYMG. This is the Violets Are Blue palette. This palette is $10 on the website. It has 25 eyeshadows and it is cruelty free and paraben free. Now this palette ranges with a lot of blues, purples, and warm and cool tone neutrals, which I was pretty excited about, which is why I bought it. You can always use like your neutrals with your pop of color, and I did want to try out the formula of these, of this palette. I do have more videos coming out with the other 2 palettes that I showed you in the haul. I was going to do a 3 looks, doing like the video with 3 palettes and then just doing 1 look with them, but I figured, you know, that wouldn't be fair to the palette if I really only did 1 look. I feel like most of the times when I'm reviewing a palette, the easiest way to review it is to do a neutral look, so I didn't want to do that. I tried to give you guys a neutral, a bold, and a wearable, so like a wearable colorful one. So yeah, let's hop in to some looks. Go over how I feel about the palette first impressions, since this is the first look we're doing. I do feel like some of the shimmers could, you know, use a little help. Like that purple gave me some issues. I can see that it's starting to kind of fade away like the more I wear it, and I haven't even had it on that long, so it definitely is one of the shimmers are definitely like very subtle, kind of like for everyday wear, which I wish, I mean, they were more of a buildable formula rather than just a more sheer formula right off the bat. I think that the inner corner saved this look. That shimmer is very bold. The gold shade that I used kind of turned into a rose gold when you mixed it with the purple, so I did like that. But yeah, I'm not mad at this look, but I do feel like it's more on the soft colorful side. That first shade that I put down definitely was my favorite besides the inner corner. This look kind of like the shades kind of remind me of the Wet n Wild 40 palette formula. Some are soft, some are more chalky feeling. Alright y'all, and here is look number 2 complete, and I got a little extra and drew a snowman. I hope you guys can see him. But yeah, I got a little extra with this one. This one will probably be put on Instagram, so you'll definitely see like a high definition picture of it. But I really like this, and the blues outdid themselves in this palette. I am very happy with this palette now because of the blues. So far, I'm liking this palette. We're going to do another look, which is going to be probably a neutral look, but I'll decide that later because my camera's dying. So all in all, this is my favorite so far. Alrighty, and here is look number 3, the final look I am doing with this palette. And this is a more simple everyday look. I wanted to give you guys a more simple, you know, you can throw them on everyday look so you guys can get like the full look of the palette and the looks that you can create. You know, my wings probably aren't as even as I thought they were, and I threw on some pretty natural lashes, so yeah. And this is the final look, you guys. Alright guys, and that was the 3 looks I did with this Violets Are Blue palette from Shop Miss A. I will say some shades, like some of the shimmer shades, underperformed a little bit for me. They work a lot better with your finger. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you get this palette, that some of the shimmer shades are just better if you take your finger and, you know, just go in with it that way. Me, I have fat chunky fingers because they're short. So it's more difficult for me. I always have to probably use my pinky or my index finger. So yeah. And if you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, because look at it, oh my goodness. It is Fire Engine from Midas Cosmetics, and I do have a PR haul coming up for you guys soon, which this lipstick will be included. This one was interesting. Sorry guys, I'm fixing my headband, it's falling off. I got this headband from Shop Miss A as well. My highlight is Shop Miss A. It is the Cloud highlighter, the Wonder highlighter with icing underneath it, so it has like a icy blue tone to it, so icing and cloud. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys. I am wearing the, if you watch my haul, I got the Shop Miss A concealer. Let me do like a tiny little review added on to this one. This is kind of yellow on my skin, but when I blend it out, it does have like a, I guess the yellow tone tint to it is for brightening. I don't really see anything wrong with it. Sometimes stuff will work on my skin that, you know, doesn't exactly match it, but definitely a lot more warm than my usual concealers, but it's not a bad concealer, and it definitely is a good coverage too. It's like medium. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that little update before I completely forgot to give it to you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Turn on the bell notification so you know every time I upload, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.